In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of converting MBOX files to doc format using the BitRecover MBOX Converter Wizard. To install our MBOX to doc conversion tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. This tool provides users with select file or select folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. After selecting the folder, click the Select Folder option below. Ignore Gmail label option if enabled, will exclude Gmail labels during the migration process. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select individual files or an entire folder that you want to convert. Click Next. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select Doc option for this tutorial. The Destination Path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. Save converted messages in same source folder option when enabled will save the converted files in the same folder as the source files. The file naming option allows users to select a name format for the output file when converting it. Go to Filter Options to take a look at the advanced filter options of our tool. These filter options should be applied before starting the conversion, so you can export only the required data based on date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and other criteria. Now go back to the saving options. Next, simply click the Convert button, and the conversion process will begin. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the conversion was successful. Click OK to open the destination folder and access the newly converted files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.